What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over our friend Matic. Currently sitting at $1.19, up 3.4 on the day. See market cap of 10.2, baby. 24-hour volume, 500 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitkit, grab up to 8K in bonuses or buy it up to 30K in bonuses. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns. Talking all things crypto. Let's hop to the charts. Going to start here on Matic on the 1 hour time frame. So there's still a possibility that we could put in a WXY. This may be a 5-way move to the upside. So we'll give a quick wave 2 pullback. If that were to be the case, you look for a pullback in between the 0.5 to 0.786. Currently coming in between 110 and 114. If we lose 110, then higher likelihood you come down with a wave Y to bring it down to 99 cents to $1.08. Overall, I'm still bullish and think we will see continuation to the upside and begin to push up in our wave 3. And we can give a target for that. As you can see here, we broke out of this descending broadening wedge, and we haven't yet met the target, which is up here at $1.29. But the wave 3 target from the wave 1 low to the bottom of the wave 2 would take you up here to about $1.68 for the price of Matic. See a wave 4 pullback, put in that final wave 5. So things are looking good. Even if we pull back in that wave Y, I'm still confident we'll see continuation to the upside. We'll have to see how everything plays out. If we just straight break out from here, then you look for a bounce from this yellow box in between $1.14 and $1.10. Minimum target is $1.16, which we've already touched. And then see continuation, and basically you push up in a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, see continuation up in a wave 3. Weekly time frame, which we've been watching closely here. About to print the bullish cross going into next week, still holding the EMAs. So that is a good sign, because as I showed you guys previously, I believe it was on the Binance chart. The last time we had the bullish cross was down here when Matic was at 1 cent, and then it pushed all the way up to $2.78, which was an absolutely massive gain, and we're about to print that bullish cross once again. For the price of Ethereum, same thing, maybe putting in a WXY, unless we can come up and break that high. And then what you'd be looking at is a 1-2 of the larger wave 3 to the upside. Now I will give you a target for that from the bottom of the wave 1 to the top to the bottom of the wave 2. If this were to be the bottom, no promises, we still may come down in a wave Y. We only met the minimum target, but the wave 3 would take you up to 2,458. So I'll zoom out quickly for Ethereum to show you guys what I'm looking at. Let's go to the daily time frame. So from the low, we have a wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback, looking to push up in that wave 3. And within those waves are 5 waves. So we have the red count here, wave 1. Just put in that wave 2 pullback, looking to push up in the wave 3. And then we zoom into the smaller counts, basically, which is here in yellow, wave 1, wave 2, push up to that wave 3, possibly to 2458, depending on if this retracement is over or we are going to see the wave Y down. Then we'd have to adjust the target a little bit here. But if we can break that previous high, then that would confirm that this correction is complete for the price of ETH. We're still flirting with the neckline, still holding above the EMAs here, allowing the 20 EMA to catch back up to the candles. So I do think the higher probability is we do eventually break out, and we have this inverse head and shoulders head up to that technical target of about 2,753. for the price of Ethereum. All right, gang, so that's it for this one. The crucial support to watch is for a balance in between $1.14 and $1.10. If we lose $1.10, then it's likely going to put in that wave Y. Otherwise, this could be a 1-2 setup, and then we'll see continuation to the upside. Currently, we are in a trade, which I gave a signal for in the Discord, which is currently in profits. It's only $10 a month. Everything else is completely free if you sign up to one of the exchanges, and all you have to do is email me or sign up email, and I will give you completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, trade signals, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, trade signals, which can be very helpful along your trading journey. Crypto news, which I post regularly, member profits, Mahado alt plays, $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. I've been working out regularly, starting to look good, a little flex. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.